Hi, Scott and Ann Breuer here with Brewer Choice Realty Group and Keller Williams Classic Realty. We have a pleasure today of introducing to you Jeff Scherber with Summit Mortgage. Thanks for joining us, Jeff. We wanted to ask you a couple questions about what today's buyers have.
Well, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So Jeff, why would a buyer even consider buying in today's strong seller's market?
Ann, that's a great question. If you look at the overall market today, so let's assume you purchase a home for a loan amount of around $300,000. Okay, interest rates are still at an all-time low. Let's say you're at a 3.25% rate. Your total principal and interest would be about $1,305. Now let's assume a year from today, values go up, which they are going to go up because there is a shortage of inventory and there's just a lack of housing. In addition, they are predicting rates to go up probably a good full point. So let's say you're at 4.25. That puts your total payment, principal and interest, about $1,623, which is a difference of about $318 a month, which is substantial on a home of that purchase. And if you look at it over a 30-year period, you're going to save about $114,000 over life long.
Wow, that's a substantial amount of money for buyers to consider in this market. And thanks, it's great information, Jeff. In addition, according to the National Association of Realtors, home values are actually expected to increase at a rate of 10% by the end of 2021. And interest rates are slowly increasing, reducing the buyer's buying power. And actually, home values are predicted to continue to appreciate at a strong rate over the next 5 years.
So Jeff, another question people have is what benefits do buyers have by working with you and Summit Mortgage?
Well, that's a great question. I mean, if you look at it, I have over 25 years experience. So a lot of buyers today, they have certain challenges. There's different, ways to get offers accepted. One of the huge advantages is being that I've been in the business 25 years. I know a lot of the listing agents out there, and a lot of listing agents know me. So that's a huge advantage when you're putting an offer in on a property. In addition, we offer what's called a $10,000 guarantee. So if the deal does not close and close on time, we give that seller $10,000. Also, what we do differently is we offer a full underwriting approval versus a pre-approval. This is very important when submitting an offer because the listing agents want to know that the buyer is going to close and close on time and that the deal is not going to fall apart. In addition, also what I do is I reach out to every single listing agent on every transaction before the offer is submitted and after the offer is submitted, because that gives us a huge advantage to know what direction we need to put the offer in at.
Okay, well, the $10,000 guarantee, I've never really heard that from other lenders before. Is that pretty unique to you and Summit Mortgage?
Yes, it is. A lot of lenders won't offer it because, a lot of them are too chaotic right now or too busy, and a lot of deals today just don't close, or people go to their bank and the banker isn't there on a weekend to answer the phone call. So it's huge for us, and we've never had to write a check for the $10,000.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, everything that you mentioned really seems to be making a big difference, especially getting offers accepted today with all the multiple offers that are out there.
Yeah, I think, what really benefits is working together as a team with Ann and Scott, because not only do I have 25 years experience as Scott and Ann have the same amount. So, I mean, we can testify to a couple of deals just this year that offers got accepted because they knew both Scott and myself. And in many cases, we weren't the highest offer, but it's a huge advantage to the buyers today.
Well, thank you so much, Jeff. You made some great points, and we appreciate working with you and the teamwork. You really offer some wonderful programs, for buyers. I wanted to mention something, where there's chaos, there's always opportunity. And the proof is in the numbers. Even though home values have increased, you can still capitalize on today's historically low interest rates. And as a seller, you can take advantage of earning more from the sale of your property. Give us a call and let's do the math before you give up on these once-in-a-lifetime opportunities in today's market. Scott and Ann Breuer, your trusted real estate advisors.